Hey guys, it's 9th Street Auto Plaza located in Mount Carmel, Illinois. We have in a 2018 Toyota Camry Xse. Has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with 158,000 miles. This does have a clean Carfax history. You're going to get 28 miles per gallon city and 39 highway. If you're looking for something to save on gas, this is a good one. I'm going to take you around the car, show you any imperfections I see. Starting with the front, we do have a cracked bumper at the very bottom. It does have some rock chips. There's a little dent here in the front passenger side of the fender. On the rim. Tire tread is good. Curb rash on the rear rim also. Tire tread looks good. This does have leather interior. Power seats. Moves forward and back as it should. Passenger seat. Looks like it has a tear here in the back rest of the seat. Rear seats look okay. I don't see any rips or tears. Have a few chips here on the bumper. See anything on this side to point out? The curb rash on the front rim also. Tire tread's good. Oh, that's just a bug. Rear rim looks pretty good. Just a little scuff here. Tire tread looks good. There is some just a couple little light scratches here on the back passenger door. Power driver seat. Moves forward and back as it should. See if we have a spare under here. Yes, we do. I can see it. It does have a spare. This does have push button start. Alright, stereo works. Camera. I'm not sure if it has navigation or not. It could be in one of these apps. I am not quite sure. You may be able to download Apple CarPlay, possibly. We'll move on to the windows. One touch on both windows. Work properly. The driver's side. Both windows go up and down as they should. And sunroof. Tilt. Oops. There's your sunshade. And let's see how the window works. There it goes. Sunroof works. So we have lane departure warning. It also does have blind spot alert, and it has collision avoidance system. It's showing 158, 546 on the mileage. There are no check engine lights on the dash. They have the parking brake on. Parking brake enabled to disengage. Push the brake. Disengage the parking brake. Let's see, what else do I need to show you? It does have heated seats. AC is blowing cold air. All fan functions are working properly. We will do a rev test. Alright guys, again, this is a 2018 Toyota Camry Xse. Stop by and see it at 9th Street Auto Plaza, located in Mount Carmel, Illinois, 800 West 9th Street. You can give us a call at 618-450-2600. You can also get on our website and view the Carfax report at 9thstreetautoplaza.com.